Today we're checking out the DeatschWerks EV14 DV2 Fuel Injectors, 95 pounds, for the 2005 to 2017 V8 F-150. If you're building a high-powered truck and you're starting to outrun the factory fuel system, bigger injectors are one of those upgrades that can be the difference between a truck that runs strong and a truck that starts leaning out when you get into it, so these are definitely worth considering. These fuel injectors are designed to deliver more fuel for more power. And the big feature is going to be the 1000cc minimum flow rate, which is rated at 95 pounds an hour. That extra capacity is exactly what you want when you've added boost or other power adders, and the stock injectors just can't keep up with the new fuel demand. Keeping the air to fuel ratio where it needs to be is critical for making power safely, and this set is aimed at supporting those high performance setups where consistency really matters. These are going to use the EV14 body style with a US CAR connector, so they're built to plug in cleanly and work like a proper upgraded injector instead of some hacked together solution. You're also getting an excellent spray pattern for optimal atomization, which helps the fuel burn more completely so the engine can make the most out of it. Another big advantage is that they are E85 compatible, so if you're planning to run ethanol blends for power, you're not worrying about the fuel dying out and attacking the injector components. And since this comes as a complete set of 8 with O-rings included, it's ready to go as a full truck upgrade instead of piecing things together injector by injector. This is more of a plug and play kit that saves you money in the long run. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting those EV14 style fuel injectors with the US CAR plug style. Those are going to come with the O-rings included to simplify the install process. You're getting the full set of 8 that's built to run within the 40 to 80 PSI fuel pressure range. These also have up to a 93% maximum duty cycle, which makes this a serious fueling component for higher output builds. Now when it comes to the price on these are coming in right around the mid $700 price range. For a complete match set of 8 high flow injectors that are built for boosted and E85 capable setups, that's a solid value in my opinion, compared to trying to piece together fueling upgrades that are still coming up short when the truck needs fuel the most. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should be able to have this job done in about 2 hours of your time. 100% capable in your abilities to get this one done, then just go ahead and hire a professional or take it to a shop to make sure this job gets done perfectly and runs right. That's going to wrap up my review of the DeatschWerks EV14 DV2 Fuel Injectors, 95 pound, for the 2005 to 2017 V8 F-150. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.